So hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is presented to you by Chiacon Consulting. And in this video, we will learn about how you can schedule an attended bot using Windows Task Scheduler in UiPath. So without wasting any time, let's just quickly jump onto the studio. So here in studio, we have this sample process created which only have a single message box. So now to run this process from task scheduler, we first need to publish it. So I'll click on publish options. Here we need to select this custom and we have to provide a path here. So I have provided this path and now I will click on this publish. The project has been published successfully. So I'll just click on OK. And now, in order to run this from task scheduler, we need to search for this UI robot. You don't need to do anything. Just go on this PC, search for UI robot, and you will land on this page. Now, copy this UI robot path and open the notepad in your system. Okay, I'll just open the notepad in my system. I need to paste the robot path. Okay, now I need to provide file here. Okay, so what does this file mean? This file means the nugget package file, which we have just published. And now I will open the file. Okay, so this is the file that we have just published. I'll select this and I'll copy it as path and I'll come on to my notepad. Okay, so this is the path of the UI robot which will run this process, and this is the path of the file. So now we need to click on file and we need to click on save as. I'll provide it a name which is test task and keep it as all files. Encoding will be ANSI, and the main point is after the name of the process we need to provide the extension which is BAT. Okay, and now I'll click on this save button and now we can close this notepad. And if I refresh it, so you'll get to see here we have this Windows batch file created. Okay, now we need to open the task scheduler. So to use task scheduler you don't need to download anything, it's already available in your Windows laptop. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll click on this create task, and here I will provide the task as UiPath test. Just name. You can provide any name you want, and then I need to click on this actions. And here I will add the path of that bad file that we have just created. I'll click on browse, I'll select this bad file and I'll click on open. So what it does is it has provided that bad file path here. I click on OK and here also I'll click on OK. So you can see UiPath test. This batch file has already been created here. Now I will select this and I will click on run. So it will run my process and it will provide me this message box that we had in our project, right? Execution is completed using task scheduler. So that's how you can use task scheduler. And also if you want to add any trigger to it, you just need to click on properties and you just need to click on triggers. Here if you go here, you will find you can trigger it on any logon or any option, and you can trigger it daily, weekly, monthly, or you can trigger it on basis of your time as well. So that's how you can schedule any attended bot in UiPath, and you can use it, you can trigger it on whichever actions or whichever condition you want. So I hope this video will be helpful for you all. So if you like this video, you can give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any question or any query regarding this video. Thank you so much for watching.